In today's video, we are going to show you how to join a tournament in Quotex. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then inside the dashboard, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the tournaments. Now, if you want to compete with other traders, test your skills, and potentially win prize awards, then tournaments are something you should definitely try. You have 4 tournaments ready for you to join. Number 1 is the Crazy Wednesday, Free Friday, and Weekend Battle. For example, I am looking for the prize pool of 7,500, so this is really big. I'm gonna click on the details. Now, before joining, check all these important details, like the entry fee, if it's going to be free or paid, prize pool, start and end time, number of participants, rules of the competition. Here, it requires you to pay a $10 joining fee and make sure you understand the conditions before joining. Now, if you don't want to pay for anything, go back again to the list of tournaments. For example, let's say we have the Free Friday. Click on the details. As you may notice, it's free to join. All I have to do is click the join button. Remember, if it's a paid tournament, the entry fee will be deducted from your balance. And right now, to join any tournaments here, whether it's paid or not, you need to have an initial deposit, which I don't have right now. We want to make sure that you have enough balance so you can move forward. Because after joining, you will receive the confirmation that you have successfully registered. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can join tournament here in Quotex. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.